Two-dimensional array, 2D array. What is 2D array? 2D array can be defined as an array of arrays. The 2D array is organized as matrices which can be represented as the collection of rows and columns. 2D arrays are created to implement a relational database look-alike data structure. It provides ease of holding bulk of data at once which can be passed to any number of functions wherever required. How to declare 2D array. The syntax of declaring two-dimensional array is very much similar to that of a one-dimensional array, given as follows. Int arr, max_rows, max_columns. 2D array are represented as given in the table.